I never pinky swore on secrets. My lips sipped from anyone.
And look at this thing, and it definitely elevates your entire look. Much affordable in prices. Best editions. So definitely going to keep them in my collection. Like, they are so pretty. These are like gold plated ones, and I got you all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a Myntra bangle haul. आपने वीडियो का टाइटल देख के तो समझ ही लिया होगा what this video is all about. I spent around 10 to 12,000 rupees on Myntra recently because I wanted some bangles, like wooden stacks, for so long. I have my eyes on those big bangles which goes with western or goes with like any sort of dresses. So shops a lot from Myntra, so he told me they have some crazy deals out there, so I was like, I have to shop this time. 1,500, 800, 1,400 करते करते 10 से 12,000 का बिल बन गया, and damage is done. And if you are someone who is looking to add some quirky, spicy colors to your bangles collection, then stay tuned. I have ordered those ethnic, regal sort of stack bangles, those wooden embellished bangles. Also got some statement pieces like those cuff bangles. And what products I got, what is the price and quality, and should you buy it? I will link everything in comment section, like in description, and keep watching my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, hi everyone, my name is Shalini and I make content related to fashion, makeup, lifestyle. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll start the video. So the first thing I got is the very pretty these wooden bangles. I will definitely going to keep them in my collection. It goes with your western outfit, it goes with your ethnics as well, and you can wear it with your jeans or kurtas. I'll paste the link in the description below. I will also add the picture and the price of the product, so it will be easier for you to just find it on Myntra itself, or you can just click in the link in the description box below. Made up of wooden material, and it has those metal motifs like heart and circles all around the bangle. And the next thing that I called for are these 8 ethnic yellow bangles from the brand called Tag 7. And they have such cute and classy pieces. Like, I don't know, this is not my color, and it will come with these 3 metal golden bangles. Like, you can wear it with them or without them. Let me try it in front of you so that you will have a better idea of how exactly it will look at this. Like, it looks so pretty. Just a beautiful statement piece in your collection. You can wear it with anything, and yeah, quality wise they are just gorgeous. And the next bangles that I shopped are these 2 studded beautiful wooden bangles. And the best part about these bangles are like they never go out of the trend. Like, you know, this goes with everything. Look at this. I'm wearing a top and it goes perfectly with the top as well. And quality wise, it's perfectly amazing. Like, hands on to the quality, nothing is wrong. These are wooden in material, and yeah, again, one in size, the quality is good. And all these bangles that I'm showing right now are from the brand called Tag 7. They have such cute, beautiful pieces. You can definitely shop from their collection. I got these like the 3 set of resin bangles. They come in one size. Like, they have these 3 prints. One is the white marble and this brownish tone, you can see. Like, it's so beautiful. and the second one is this brownish shade which looks absolutely stunning, and the third one is this green tone. You guys, let me know in the comment section like how it's looking. I am loving it. Like, it's one of the pieces that goes with everything, and it definitely elevates your entire look. You can wear it on the beach, for the parties, or just the day out, and it suddenly just elevates your look. I am going to keep it. I ordered, like, these are the gold plated bracelet, like cuff bracelets. Price is also very good. It's affordable. You can definitely go and just wear it with your black dresses or like white. I'm definitely going to style it with my black dress. Look at this. This is so pretty. These are like gold plated ones, and I got this with the brand called Bohe by Carrot Card, I guess. Yes, I will link in the description below, so you guys can definitely check it out and place your orders. But yeah, definitely go for this. Like, this is my favorite piece. Off and show you the next pieces that I have ordered. Like, guys, I'm so excited. I got these pieces. I was planning to buy them from such a long time, but yes, I thought it won't be worth the money. But then I have started creating content recently, like on makeup, fashion, and lifestyle. So yes, I will definitely going to use these products to make my videos look good, and hope to receive much more love from you guys. Excited to show you what all I have got, because these pieces are something like which is not available so easily in the market. Let me show you the next piece that I have ordered. If you're wearing something like really dressy and you just want to add some glamour and minimalistic look, like this would be your go-to statement jewelry for sure. Oh my god, totally different from whatever I have ordered. Like, you guys, let me know in the comment section, is it like similar to what I have ordered, or this is something which is very unique from all the pieces? Let me know in the comment sections, and I would love to know. Guys, I'm chrysophilist. Like, I love to collect golden bangles, golden stuff. Like, golden is something that I love. I collect a lot of golden jewelry. I got like these bangles separately. You have seen it, but this is something that I have ordered. Like, this is, I am definitely going to keep it. Look at this. I think these pieces are definitely a great addition to my bangles collection, because I can definitely, you know, stack them together or separately like these. You can go it with the dresses, you can go it with the ghagra choli maybe on festivities, and then with the westerns or maybe those long short kurtas, you can definitely wear it with them. These are beautiful pieces, not expensive and pocket friendly. These are very much affordable in prices, very good in quality as well. Like, this is made up of resin, and this is a metal one. Like, I did not think I will get such good quality, but, and it says that these are anti-tarnish as well. Like, aap pani mein bhi haath daloge to you won't have any problems with it. That's what they claim. I don't know yet because I have not used them. But yeah, I hope inka colors na jaye. Rest, I'm loving the quality. Last but the best editions of, like, I think this is one of the pieces that every girl should have. It looks so glamorous. It adds the glam to your look. Like, you just wear it with any sort of dress or like anything. I've ordered such things. I am a very minimal person. I never go for such loud pieces. But then I avoid wearing jewelries as of now. I don't know in future like whether I'll start wearing it, because I have recently started watching such pieces on my Pinterest and how people style them, and I am obsessed with the looks. And Yeah, I thought someday I'll be creating a nice look with these statement pieces. And look at this. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty, right? It's in metal and it's not like just some cheap material. It's very good quality, like solid metal. And few of them are from the brand called Unfolded. Few of them are from the brand called Tag 7. Then there's one more brand. Yeah, this one is from Tej. I was checking this brand from such a long time, and these guys have such amazing chic style pieces. Like, you just go there and you'll find some bold statement, like those regal pieces. Like, you definitely want to get your hands on with such beautiful pieces. Look at this. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, my husband loved it too. He was like, you should have ordered these more. So yeah, he approved it. I'm going to order more. Look at this. These are the two colors that you should have. Like, every girl should have this. Like, let me show you. Look at this. Like, this isn't that rustic golden color, like the blackish, not too much black. So many. I loved it. I loved so many of them. And that is pretty much it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below what sort of videos you guys want to watch on my YouTube channel. Until then, see you guys.